That's all. Next topic is Quit India movement. Quit India movement. It was started in 1942, August 8th. Quit India movement is started in 1942, August 8th. August 8th. This is also called as August Revolution. Highly disappointed Gandhi with the Cripps proposal, because we expected that Cripps will give us freedom, grant freedom to this country, so that Gandhi thought of helping the British in the World War II, but they rejected, and Gandhi decided to launch the Quit India movement. This is the last movement in the national freedom struggle. Understand? This movement is called as August Revolution because this happened in August month. Okay, Gandhi gave slogan, "Do or die." Gandhi launched the slogan, "Do or die." Gandhi launched the slogan, "Do or die." Aruna Asaf Ali hoisted tricolor flag. She is one of the member of Congress party, Aruna Asaf Ali. Okay, hoisted tricolor flag from Gowalia tank in Bombay. Hoisted tricolor flag from Gowalia tank in Bombay. Gowalia tank అని ఉంటుంది సార్ బాంబేలో. ఆ ట్యాంక్ పైనకెక్కి అరుణ ఆసఫ్ అలీ launched the Quit India movement by hosting tricolor flag. She was one of the member of Congress party. So with this Quit India movement started. Why Quit India movement launched by Gandhi? ఆగ మేఘాల పైన గాంధీ స్టార్ట్ చేసినాడు ఈ మూమెంట్ హరి బరిలో ఆగస్ట్ 8th రోజు. ఎందుకు స్టార్ట్ చేశాడంటే, వీఆర్ డిసప్పాయింటెడ్ విత్ క్రిప్స్ ప్రపోజల్. అండర్స్టాండ్? క్రిప్స్ మిషన్ ఫెయిల్డ్, number 1. Number 2, Japan's threat is looming to India. If tomorrow Japan conquers India as part of World War II, it is a serious issue in India. And now British is going to quit India, and India is going to be fall under the Japan's control. Japan's imperialism is highly dangerous than the British imperialism. Japan, wherever they went, they imposed military rule there. There is no democracy there. There is no people's right. There is no law. Ultimate monarchism, anarchism, monarchism, unrest, everything. Worst Japanese rule in the world. And India is going to fall in the hands of Japanese. Japan is going to conquer India because of British rule here. Understand? If at all British quits India, then Japan wouldn't care India. The problem is India is a British colony. That's why Japan wanted to conquer India. So that's why even before Japan threat looming to India, we have to do this Quit India movement and make the British fellows expel from India. Understand? Anduku Gandhi launch chesinadu movement. Reason, I will tell you 2 reasons for Quit India movement, right? 2 reasons. Number 1, failure of Cripps mission. Failure of Cripps mission. Number 2, Japan's threat is looming to India. Looming, Looming. Japan's threat is looming to India like never before. Like never before. Japan's threat is looming to India like never before. Sir, జాపనీస్కి బ్రిటిష్ వాళ్ళకి జాపనీస్ సబ్మెరైన్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్. ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ సింగపూర్ అని ఒకటి ఉంది. ఈ సింగపూర్ అనేది యాక్చువల్గా బ్రిటిష్ కాలనీ సార్. ఓకేనా? Japan defeated British and conquered Singapore. Now Singapore is a Japanese colony. Singapore is ruled by Japan. Okay? From Singapore, Japanese submarines almost reached Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh. కాకినాడ వరకు వచ్చినాయి. కాకినాడలో బ్రిటిష్కి జపాన్కి, బ్రిటిష్ జపాన్ వార్ అయింది. అక్కడ సబ్మెరీన్స్లో వచ్చి వార్ అయింది సార్ అక్కడ. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఇక బ్రిటిష్ ఓడిపోతే ఇండియా మొత్తం జపాన్ కంట్రోలే. మనం జపాన్ రూల్లో ఉండలేం సార్. అట్లీస్ట్ బ్రిటిష్ రూల్ ఈజ్ ఫార్ ఫార్ బెటర్ దాన్ ద జపానీస్ రూల్, బికాస్ జపాన్ ఈజ్ రూల్డ్ బై ఏ మిలిటరీ పర్సన్. There is no democracy in Japan. At least British is very good. They are bringing democracy in India. Constitutional reforms వస్తున్నాయి. So that's why even before British threat looming to India, we have to do this Quit India movement and let the British out from this country. These are two reasons for Quit India movement. When did Quit India movement start? 1942. On August 8th, movement started. On August 9th, early in the morning, 5 o'clock, all the leaders, high leaders, top class leaders were arrested. All the leaders were arrested. Gandhi, Patel, Nehru, Azad, everyone was arrested. Right on? Change the paragraph and write. On 9th August, all the national leaders were arrested along with Gandhi. On 9th August, all the national leaders were arrested along with Gandhi. Gandhi was arrested in Aga Khan Palace. Gandhi was arrested in Aga Khan Palace in Bombay. అంటే ఆ ప్యాలెస్లో ఒక జైలు ఉంటుంది. ఆ ప్యాలెస్లో జైల్లో పెట్టారు గాంధీని. గాంధీకి కళ్ళకు గుడ్డలు కట్టినారు. ఓకే, కట్టి ఆయనను తీసుకెళ్ళిపోయినారు. గాంధీకి కూడా తెలియదు అన్నట్టు అది ఎక్కడ పెట్టినారు. ఈవెన్ గాంధీ ఆల్సో డజంట్ నో దట్ వేర్ హీ వాజ్ అరెస్టెడ్. అండర్స్టాండ్? Now what happens? When every leader was arrested, then where is the movement? Youth like you have done the movement. Antena? The leadership was taken into the hands of Jayaprakash Narayana. He is a socialist party leader, Congress Socialist Party leader. Jayaprakash Narayana took the leadership. Aruna Asaf Ali and Usha Mehta are the two important women who run this Quit India movement through a secret radio. Understand?